Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Ever had trouble with Face ID recognizing you? In this video, I will show you the simple process of resetting Face ID on your Apple device. Let's go. To reset Face ID on your iPhone or iPad, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode in the list of settings. You will be prompted to enter your passcode to access the Face ID settings. Note that disabling Face ID will also disable features such as Apple Pay and autofill. Make sure you are aware of this before proceeding. Now scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID and no more confirmation prompt will appear. If you are having trouble resetting Face ID, try restarting your device. And if you want to set up Face ID again, just click the Set up Face ID button. You will then be instructed on how to set your Face ID. You'll scan your face multiple times from different angles, so ensure that your face is well lit and free of obstructions when scanning. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.